My neighbor used to put them in the washing machine to prevent unpleasant odors when guests were coming over, but you don't need to stuff the machine with them. There's a better way to get rid of bad smells and grime. In the washing machine drawer, residues from laundry detergents accumulate, leading to bacteria and mold that cause bad odors. Even large amounts of fragrant liquids won't mask it, which is why your laundry may smell bad after washing. Here's how to fix it. Remove the drawer from the washing machine and place it in a deep container or sink. Take a dishwasher tablet and a toothbrush. Dissolve the tablet in hot water and start scrubbing. Dishwasher tablets contain ingredients that effectively remove dirt and mineral deposits. If the drawer is very dirty, let it soak longer. However, the tablets work quickly to clean away grime. Once cleaned, put the drawer back in place and you're done. Your washing machine and laundry will smell fresh.